Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to reveal to you how you can make money with Jasper AI. So let's get started. Let's first look at what exactly is Jasper. Jasper is an artificial intelligence copywriting program that has so many opportunities for just about anyone. This AI tool is used by people of all backgrounds, including bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, freelancers, copywriters, email marketers, Facebook ads, experts, and so many others to produce better copywriting and content for their online business. Basically, anyone who has a business or writes for a living could benefit from Jasper AI, as it helps improve what you create for videos, ads, or even for your company's website. 99.99% of the posts you make with Jasper will be all original content, which means no more worrying about plagiarizing other bloggers. You'll always have your own unique style of writing, but Jasper will help keep it original, authentic, and non plagiarized. Let's now dive into how you can make money using Jasper. Here are some specific and easy ways to start making money with Jasper. Number one, Jasper AI Affiliate Program. This program aims at selling world class based AI content writing software. Once you sign up for this program, you will automatically become eligible to offer a free trial of Jasper.ai to your visitors or subscribers. This trial offer lasts for 5 days, and if during the trial period your users are satisfied, they can opt to continue using it. And once they convert as paying customers, you start getting a commission. How the affiliate program works. First of all, you need to get a unique link. Apply to be a partner, and you'll get a unique referral link that tracks who clicked and who signed up. Next, you need to share your link. Refer Jasper to your friends, followers, and clients, and they'll get 10,000 bonus words credits. Next, you will earn commission. Every month your referral subscription renews, you will get 30% recurring commission for life. When your audience are given a special deal that's not publicly available, when they sign up through your link, they'll get 10,000 bonus credits added to their account. You will earn 30% recurring monthly income for lifetime, and there is no cappings at all. If someone clicks on your link and signs up within 30 days, Jasper sends you a PayPal for 30% commission every month they renew their subscription. Depending on their plan, you will earn between $9 to $299 per month per customer for life. Next, let's look at who should become a partner with Jasper. Number one, entrepreneurs with complimentary offers. Jasper will benefit you if your business has complementary products and audiences. Number two, influencers and professional affiliate marketers. If you professionally promote products via content or ads, Jasper is a good platform to partner with. Lastly, agencies, freelancers, and consultants. If you want to refer your clients, they will get 10,000 bonus credits and you will get recurring commission. The second method of earning through Jasper is becoming a blogger. There are plenty of Jasper templates that you can instantly start using to pick up freelance work. But to become a blogger, we recommend you to use the paragraph generator template. If you're looking to start your own blog, you should definitely think about this. Jasper will help you tremendously with every post you make as it creates ideas and writing, making it an easy all in one spot to create blog content. Whether you're a freelance writer looking for some extra writing or a blogger who wants some additional content, Jasper can definitely help you. Jasper will create blog post ideas and get titles for you, drawing from the top interest online, and with some of your own input, you could take any of those post ideas and create optimized content for your blog. The third way of earning through Jasper is Amazon product description. Jasper has templates specifically for Amazon product descriptions. You can create compelling product descriptions for Amazon listings. The content is in paragraph form, but the style will vary. It'll take about 15 minutes for Jasper to create a product listing, which means you could get 3 listings done in an hour. The fourth method is through Facebook ads. You can use the Facebook ad headline template if you want to run your own Facebook ads or create an agency to do it for clients. Jasper can help you by writing the ad headline and primary text. You can offer this service to businesses or brands as freelancers or agencies. If you are on Fiverr, you can even offer this as a service. You can generate scroll stopping headlines for your Facebook ads to get prospects to click and ultimately buy. The fifth method is Google Ads headline. For this, you can use the Google Ads headline template. You can create high converting copies for the headlines and description section of your Google Ads, or you can offer this as a service to your clients. The sixth option is Content Improver. For this, you can use the Content Improver template. If you want Jasper to do all the work for you, get content that is already created and let Jasper improve it. You can have an online assistant who helps make money with just a tiny monthly fee. Jasper will create content at your fingertips so you can grow with your business. You can use Jasper to take existing content and improve or re-clarify it. This will help you generate multiple guest posts on the same topic, give your clients a chance to better rank their poorly ranking posts, or boost your own website's SEO rankings. The seventh method to earn through Jasper is video content. For this, you can use the templates video topic ideas, video script outline, video titles, video script hook and introduction, and video description. Using the topic ideas option will allow you to brainstorm new and engaging video topics that will rank well on YouTube. Use the script outline to create a full-fledged script for your YouTube video. The video titles option gives you engaging and click-worthy titles for your videos. Using the script hook and introduction option, you can create intros that will capture the attention of your viewers. And lastly, the video description option will create descriptions for your videos to rank well in the search. And the last method we have to share with you is to write a book. For this, you can use the creative story template. Using this option, you can write creative stories to engage your readers. So if you ever dreamt of writing a book yourself, Jasper can help save time by generating creative stories or helping with nonfiction books. You don't need to hire a team to write content for your book. You can just use Jasper whenever you feel stuck on a topic that needs more interest from readers. You could offer creative stories as a service to future customers as well. Seek out businesses that could benefit from a small ebook to boost their profit margins. So, in this way, you can use this game changing AI tool to transform how to create written content and use the same in your services. And that brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can comment them below. And for our next video, stay tuned and stay subscribed.